In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to manage your account settings effectively. Whether you're just starting out with QuickBooks or looking to refine your setup, these steps will guide you through some essential functions to help streamline your business processes. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where you can access all the necessary tools to manage your finances. This is the central hub of QuickBooks, allowing you to control and monitor your business activities at a glance. Next, focus your attention on the Settings gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will drop down a menu offering various options, each catering to different needs of your accounting setup. From here, you'll want to select Account and Settings to access more detailed configurations for your QuickBooks account. Once you've clicked on Account and Settings, a new page will open up presenting multiple tabs. Each tab holds different sections for managing your company's basic information, usage, sales, expenses, and more. These sections are vital for customizing how QuickBooks works for your business. For this tutorial, we'll be delving into the Sales tab to adjust specific settings related to how you handle your sales transactions. Select the Sales tab to reveal more detailed options about your sales process within QuickBooks. Here you can customize invoices, set up payment reminders, and manage your sales preferences. It's where you can make sure your invoicing and sales processes are aligned with your business needs and preferences. Making adjustments here can significantly enhance how fluidly your sales operations are conducted. Within the Sales tab, you'll find another option labeled Messages. Click on Messages to access settings specifically for customizing the messages that accompany your sales forms, such as invoices and estimates. Personalizing these messages can make your communication more professional and leave a good impression on your clients. Ensure the tone and information are appropriate and reflect your company's brand and style. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can effectively navigate QuickBooks to ensure your sales settings and messages are tailored to best fit your business's operations. This customization not only helps in maintaining clarity and professionalism, but also optimizes the software for your unique needs. Remember to take the time to regularly review and update these settings as your business evolves, ensuring QuickBooks continues to serve you efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps make your accounting tasks that much simpler.